what's up, YouTube? All right, so I'm here with the student.
Hi.
Look at the sun. The sun's got you all messed up. We're about to practice the driving test. She has, when is that test? A couple days?
Yeah, a week.
She have a test a week from now. So we're running through the driving test at one of the Broward County, Florida locations. So I'm gonna show you. She's run through it once before, so we're gonna show you how well she's doing, and step by step what's on the test. I have not asked you guys for a while to subscribe, so I'm begging, please subscribe to the channel. I have 100,000 plus watch hours, which is amazing, but I need subscribers to match those amount of hours, don't it?
Yes.
All them hours with 13,000 subscribers. I need a lot more subscribers. The hours are impressive, I get it, but still I need more subscribers. All right, so the sun is messing me up though. All right, so we're gonna get out of this area in a minute. So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left.
What else do you do?
You put the car in park. Pull up the brake.
Parking brake.
Parking brake, and you
Turn off the ignition. All right, so now they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. So go ahead, press the brake, release it. And again, they're doing that to make sure that the lights are working. Turn signal lights, horn, and tail lights, all of the lights. Turn signal lights, brake lights, and horn. All right, so now they're gonna tell you the examiners are in the car now, by the way. They weren't in the car for a while, but they're all in the car now. So they're gonna tell you to reverse from here and go to the right. So go ahead and reverse. Looking both ways as you reverse. And roll out. Look both ways. And when your mirror gets to the end of the line, like about here, you turn in all the way left. Turn the wheel all the way left.
Oh.
And look behind you as you reverse. Okay, that looks good enough. So put the car back in drive. We're gonna go to the stop sign and we're gonna make a right turn. And the sun is not being kind to us at all. No, it's good. Now I'm making a right turn, so signal right. So every time they tell you to turn, you make sure you signal. Because if you don't signal, you're gonna lose 4 points for each time. So I come to a stop, go up to the stop sign and stop. And then we're gonna make a right turn. Make sure your mirror is past the curb before you turn.
Okay.
That way your back wheel will clear it.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna make a right turn here.
Make another right?
Not here, the next one.
Okay.
What is this guy doing?
He's been there for a while. He looked very suspicious.
He looks crazy. You think he looks suspicious?
He looks suspicious.
He looks crazy as hell. Alright, we're gonna go to the stop sign and we're gonna keep going straight. I'm recording with my phone, by the way. I usually don't use my phone, so if it looks funny, that's why. Alright, so we're gonna go straight across. I don't know how I forgot my camera. Usually I have it in the car. You know why? Because I had it in the bag for the music
The
thing.
event? Oh, okay.
And I didn't even take it out. Alright, so we're gonna make a right turn past the fire hydrant. Alright, so you slow down. Make sure your mirror is past the end before you turn. Alright, cool. That's good. Alright, we're gonna go down to the stop sign and just go straight, because here's where you're gonna do the speed up and the 3-point turn and all that good stuff. So you make sure you come to a complete stop. Go up some more. Stop like right here. 1, 2, 3. Wait for this car. Alright. Now.
You saw his face?
Yeah. I don't care. Stop right here. Alright, so now we're gonna speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. And stop. Alright, that's cool. Alright, reverse, put in reverse. We're gonna go straight back. So just keep the wheel straight like that and just roll straight back until I tell you to stop. Keep going. Okay, that's good enough. Stop. Now we're gonna do the 3-point turn. So here, the objective here is to reverse all the way back without crossing that yellow line. You see that line? So you have to stay in your lane all the way as you reverse, right? So now we're gonna do the 3-point turn. So signal left, turn all the way left, and you're gonna roll forward and you're gonna stop before you cross the line over there.
Which one, the white?
The white line, yes. Put it in drive.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, go straight. Keep going. Alright, that's cool. Now put it in reverse. All the way to the right. And look behind you as you reverse. Now when your mirror is past the middle, that's where we're going to stop. So going back, stop. So the mirror is past the middle line like that. Alright, now put it back in drive. Turn all the way to the left again, signal left. And we're going to go to the stop sign and make a left. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Look both ways. So you stop there and you come up to where you can actually see, and then go ahead and turn. And then we're making an immediate left turn. So left and then left. We're gonna go all the way down to the end. And even though there's no stop sign down here, we're gonna treat it as if there is a stop sign. So. Signal left. What is this person doing? Just wait for them. He's turning here, so just stop here and kind of wait for them. What in the hell is he doing? He don't know how to drive.
That's probably why his car.
His car's like that, right? Alright, go ahead and make your left turn. And then you're making a quick left. So signal left again. As soon as you straighten up, you're making a left. And we're gonna stay close to the right side because now we're going to park. So the cones will be on the left side here. So we're gonna come up here and then you're gonna line up your mirror with one of the lines. So line up your mirror with a line. Go up a little bit more. Yeah, like that. Stop. Signal left. Turn all the way left. All the way left until the wheel stops. And then you're gonna roll into the space. And when you get into the middle of the space, you're gonna go around a little bit more. Alright, straighten the wheel. You see the lines across the street, right? Right here. So you pull straight in like that. Alright, cool. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna reverse out of here and we're gonna go to the right. So reverse straight out. When your mirror is past the end of the line, that's when you're gonna stop and turn all the way to the left. Look both ways here. So when the mirror gets to the end of the line, like about there, you're gonna turn all the way left. Turn the wheel all the way left. And then continue reversing. Okay, that's cool, that's good. Alright, put it back in drive. All the way to the right. Alright, so we're gonna go to the stop sign, we're gonna make a left turn. So you signal left, right? So every time they tell you to turn, left or right, you make sure you put on the signal, because if you don't signal, you're losing 4 points. And you don't want to lose any points. So go up to the stop sign and stop. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Then move up to where you can actually see. And then go ahead and make your left.
Going straight, or are we making a?
No, we're gonna go straight down,
Okay.
back to where we started. Because yeah, this test starts over there and it ends over there, you know. So yeah. What exactly is this person doing?
I
though?
don't know.
I mean, they're on some.
Is it the same one from
It's
before?
the same one. Yeah.
Probably
Maybe
looking
they
for that
try.
man
Maybe
over
they're
there.
trying to learn to drive or something.
Maybe.
Yeah, but they're doing it all wrong. Okay, stop completely. 1, 2, 3, and then go straight across. Alright, so we're gonna park up on the left side again. So just find any one of the spaces and just line up your mirror and park. Right there. Turn all the way left. And just roll into a parking space. When you get to the middle, you just kind of slow down, straighten up, and push right in. Cool. Alright, stop right there. Alright, so how do you think you did?
Not very well.
Not very well.
No.
No, I don't think you did bad at all, actually. I think she did good. She's going to practice again before her driving test, so I'm sure she'll do better. But she didn't do bad at all. I don't know why you think that very well. You did good. It's only your second time practicing, and
True.
the light sucks. But yeah.
It's okay. It's giving me a sun-kissed look.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, like I said before, I'm gonna beg you guys to please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Tell your friends about the channel. We have 375 videos on the channel, so there are videos for everything that you could want to know about driving. I mean, literally, whatever question you have about driving, I have a video on the channel that covers it. And I'm now including a lot of sound system videos. So for all of you guys that don't know anything about sound systems, check out the channel. You know, dancehall style, Jamaican style sound systems. That's integrated into the channel also. So that's, I'm trying to build a multi-faceted channel, not just driving, right?
Yep.
Right. All right. So check out the channel and say something to the people.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Cool.
Get the views up.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.